Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm playing a game called Overcooked. It's free on the Epic Games launcher if you guys want to go get it. Actually, never mind, I don't think it's free anymore. But I'm gonna get right into it. Apparently there's a campaign, so let's continue. I guess I've started one. Alright, here we go. Let's get it. The not so distant future. Holy shit. This is crazy. Just saying, not too far from now, we're gonna be just getting annihilated. Okay. Okay, really? Oh, I just skip it. Beast is approaching, so much act. URL stands between the Onion Kingdom and total annihilation. Arf. We must work together to defeat the beast. Did you feel that? Let's go. What are we doing out here? We cooking for the beast? Oh my god. Oh my god. The giant, like, spaghetti and meatball. Respectable. Must act quickly. Why does this game look like shit, bro? This is how it's supposed to be? Pick up ingredient with A. Go show. Bro, it looks like shit, bro. I placed a chopped tomato. Eat that. Lettuce. Chop that. We need more lettuce. This is one order by itself. Nice. Wait, chop that. Oh, keep chopping. There we go. We need more lettuce. Chop that. Switch up. Let's go. Keep the speed. Keep the speed. Grab the plate. Eat that. Tomato. Bam. Oh, go back. Chop. Switch. Grab. Lettuce then tomato. Oh, where am I going? We need more lettuce. Get this down. Switch it up. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, wrong thing. Start, chop, and swap. Pick up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get in there. We need another tomato. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push it up. Lettuce on the plate. Grab more lettuce. Hurry. Hurry. Oh, oh my goodness. Eat that. How many orders did we get? No good. The beast cannot be satisfied. Quickly into the time portal. Bro, why does the game feel so bad? I guess it's just how it's supposed to be. Sending us off by ourselves. Why does the game feel like this, bro? Let me make sure it's not the graphics. There's no way it's the graphics, bro. Not controls. I don't know. I really don't know why it's like this, bro. Hold up, let me do something real fast. Alright, let's go. New recipe, soup. Alright, so first thing we need to do is grab this onion. We gotta take it where? Do we throw it in the pot or do we chop it up? We chop it up? I think we need to chop up 3 total onions to make soup. Oh, wrong thing. Start chop and switch, grab. Onion goes in. No, 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 go back on there. Holy man, what am I doing? There we go, we got 1. Holy bro. Why does the game look like this? They could have made their game so much better if it wasn't like blurry feeling, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's go, let's go. We're gonna get another onion going just in case. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Switch it up. Hold up, go back, start chopping, switch it up, grab. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How long do I let this cook for? How long does this thing cook for? Take it off. Where's the plate? Oh. There we go, there we go. Put that back there. There you go. We need another soup. I knew I was gonna be right. Give me that. Dirty plates need to be washed up in the sink. Put it in the sink after I throw this in. After I grab more onion and put it down. Get in the sink. What do I do? Do I turn it on? Oh fuck that shit, bro. Give me that shit. It's gonna blow. It's gonna blow. Holy man, what the fuck? Start chopping this. Jesus, man. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Oh! This thing done? Wait, where's the plates at again? Yo, we need this plate. Oh, it's not cooked enough. Get back on there. Bro, how do I clean this? Bro, what? Clean the plate, man. No! Bro, how do I clean the plate? Oh! I think it's done. Get on there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, there's your soup. Piece of shit. Start chopping that. Go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, wrong thing. Start chopping that, switch, grab. Throw it in. Grab some more. Start chopping that, switch, grab. Throw it in. Grab some more. Put it down, start going, switch, grab. Yes sir, we're on a roll. Look at that, let that cook. We can grab this plate, we can throw it right here. Alright, this is ready. Put it on the plate. This back. Serve this. Grab the dirty thing. Oh, we're almost out of time. Clean the dishes for the boys. Alright. How good do we do? Say that's pretty good. That has to be pretty good. That's a 3-star. Let's go. New chef. Let's go. Don't mind if I do. Let's go. Alright, so first things up. We're doing soup still. So, where do we chop this at? Can we just chop it anywhere? No. Oh, over here. Get out of the way. Piece of shit. Stack these both up. No, 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 no. Keep going, keep going. Holy bro. Get out of the way. We need another onion. We need another onion. Actually, no, we don't need an onion. We need tomato. Whoa, 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 whoa! No, 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 no! Holy, 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 holy. Gimme, 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 gimme. Holy, it's burning, it's burning, it's burning. Oh, how do I use it? How do I use it? Set the fire out. Oh my god. Yeah, let's keep this nearby. We'll keep this nearby. What's happening? What, do we have to restart this all over? Or do we have to dispose of this? Do we have to dispose of this? Dispose, dispose. Fuck, bro. Fuck. Alright, get more onion, get more onion. This guy's gonna be mad. His order's taking too long. Alright, I'm gonna start chopping this. Put this onion down, you fucking retard. Or, I mean, tomato. We need more another onion. Alright, in you go. In you go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Tomato, tomato, tomato. Get out of the way. Start chopping. Grab the onion, throw it in. Alright, that should be done soon. I'll go over here and grab another tomato. Oh, whoa, whoa. No, 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 no. Get it off, get it off. Alright, alright. Serve, put it on a plate. Put this down for now. Serve the plate. Yes, sir. Move, 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 move. Alright, next up, tomato. In. Tomato. In. Move, move, move. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Tomato. Down, start chopping. Go to the next guy. We need more onions. We need more onions. Switch up. Oh! Jesus, man. Alright, get another onion. Did we chop up the first one already? No, we didn't. Jeez, man, what am I doing? I take this off. Put it on the plate. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Serve, 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 serve. Move, move, move. We don't have time for that right now. Let's get this chopped. Oh. No, no, no. What are you doing? Ah! Alright, go in. Grab. Put down. Start chopping. Go in. Oh no, oh no. Start cleaning the dishes. We need to clean these dishes. Where's the dishes? Where's the sink? Switch up. Go in there. Alright, we're good, we're good, we're good. We need to hurry. Is this done? Oh! Serve it! What's next? Tomato. Grab the tomato. He wants tomato soup. Down. Down. Oh, dude. We definitely could have got this last one out, man. If I never set the freaking thing on fire, bro. I set it on fire. Yep, only a 2-star, bro. Dang. If I want to set it on fire. My jaw is like broken. We're on a ship. We're on a ship. Oh shoot, let's get going. Tomato. Where do we cut at? You make me go all the way. Alright, I could just do it on this side. Big brain. Alright, get going, start chopping. Oh no. Start chopping. Big brain play here. Move this to the side. Grab another one. Start chopping. And he can go ahead and start getting everything in. Tomato, tomato, tomato. Whoa, 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 bro! What do you mean? Get out of here. Alright, what's next? Onion. Get it down. Get it down. Get it down. Oh, grab that. Put it on the plate. Yes, sir. Start chopping. I'll serve it. I'm popping off. No lie. Popping off right now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Start chopping that. You move that here. Put that in. Oh, whoa. Oh my god. We gotta go around. In you go. Switch it up. Grab this plate. Clean this, John. In the sink. Wait, where's the sink? Where's the sink? Here, buddy, take that. Go grab that, grab that. Feed that. Is this the sink right here? Like, where's the sink? Legit, where Where's the sink, bro? No lie, don't know where the sink is. Let's just get going on the mushroom. Oh, the plates just get auto-washed. Bring onion over. Alright, let's go. Throw it in. Throw it in. Grab it. Place it. Switch. Start chopping. Switch. Start chopping. Start chopping. Switch. Grab more onions. Let's go. Start chopping. Grab. On the plate. Switcheroo. Serve this. Serve it. Serve it. Serve it. Serve it. Serve it. There we go. There we go. Wait. One more onion over here. Get her down. Start chopping. Throw this John in. Bro, we had to have done good, right? 3-star? Bro, what? I was going off, bro. Get out of here. Get out of here with that, bro. That's fake. Fake news. 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 New competitive level unlocked. So you can go head to head. New chef. I have a cat chef. Let's go.